Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, October 8th, 2018. Take a look at the daily spiders chart here. This is the S&P 500 essentially. Notice how Friday we tagged this level, which was the previous pivot high from January. Today we pierced it, but look at how they rescued it. I knew they were going to rescue it today. That's why we took profits Friday and today on our shorts. And again, you can look at the track record at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. We just nailed it out of the park. We knew the down cycle was coming. We positioned ourselves accordingly and banked insane amounts of money. Now, why did I know the market would get saved today instead of collapsing again? The main reason, in my opinion, was that the bond market was closed. That means interest rates were not going to be going up or down. They were going to be staying basically exactly where they were from Friday. So you were going to see that happen, and therefore the markets were unlikely to see either a major rally or a major dip, more likely a flat close. And look at where we are currently. The spiders are up 5 cents on the day. I mean, about as flat as you can get. Now, it doesn't mean there's not opportunity. As I said, we covered our shorts. Members here in the research center banked more money in the last couple trading days than they probably have in the last couple months. It has been an amazing few days here, and it's only going to get better. I want to make that point here. I've been calling for the down cycle to hit. The Qs hit it a couple weeks ago. The spiders last week. It is on. Doesn't mean you're not going to get bounces. Bounces are great opportunities, but they're great opportunities now to short the market. All right, going into, basically I'm looking at the next 2 months going into mid to late November. That's what I'm looking at in terms of downside. You'll see some unease going into the midterms, obviously, in about a month's time. So really for the next month, very uneasy, very wild action. I think the VIX continues to make moves higher. Speaking of which, we covered the VIX trade. We had the TVIX in the research center. We made about 15% on that in just a couple days because of the massive spike. It's just a beautiful move there. But we also had the SQQQ, the SPXS, both shorts on the S&P and the NASDAQ, as well as other trading opportunities. We were short Amazon from basically 2,000 just over the last couple of weeks. And if I bring up Amazon here, look at the dip here. Look at the channel, by the way. This is just a beautiful chart. The channel here, this is your next target down here, and then eventually this is your bigger target, your 200 MA right there. But bottom line is we had this short. We took profits on that. And again, Home Depot, we were short Home Depot, took profits on that. Look at Home Depot right off the support level getting a bounce today. We actually had it long we covered our short on Friday. We then went long in the chat room, and we banked more money on it today on the bounce. So this is what we do here, folks. This is In the Money Stocks 101. I mean, basically, we use our PPT methodology to just continue to rock and roll and just make money in any market. You give us any sort of minor volatility, and we're banking. You give us major volatility, and we're banking millions for members. And again, this is just what you want to do. Come to the 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Okay, anyways, going back to the spiders, this is the level to beat. As long as this pivot high from January holds, this market's in the clear in the short term. I do expect it to break. Once it breaks, watch out below. All right, right now they're saving it today because the bond market's closed. No surprise there. That's fine. But it will change, folks. It will change. Now, what sectors do I like? I honestly really like Chinese stocks here. Take a look at a couple of these bigger names. Take a look at Baidu. Baidu hit major support today. Look at this gap fill today on Baidu that it hit, and look at the bounce that's taking place. Alibaba kissing support here. Huge support right in this range. Look at the stock here. My favorites, JD. JD is one of my favorites here. We got in this, and this is already starting to make a move. Look at that green candle here at the lows. And another one that we picked up today, Sohu. Look at this little bottoming tail putting in here. And this stock, this is a Chinese stock. And again, tariffs, schmariffs, whatever. I mean, I understand. But look at where this is down from. This is down from $70 to $17. We bought it below 17 today. Think about that discount. Is that really maybe not a little overdone, wouldn't you think? I think it is, and that's why, again, we picked it up today. I think we'll get over $20 on this in a matter of weeks, and just another sweet swing trade. So Chinese stocks, very attractive down here, folks. I like them better than U.S. stocks right now because U.S. stocks, even though they've pulled back here, they're still not at the lows where they're great bargains. Now, if you look at, a stock like Amazon, Amazon should eventually go down and a little bit more, and eventually they'll be good bargains as well. But the Chinese stocks right here, right now, they're very, very interesting to me. Okay? I also like stocks like Ford. Ford is discounted enough, actually having a nice little day today. This is actually getting interesting to me. On the long side, I actually really like Ford down here. I think it's a good value down here as well, at least for a short-term move. Probably back up. You have a little trend line here. Just connect that. You'll probably go right up here in the short term, which is not bad, about 5% in a week or two, maybe even less. Okay, so that's what we have going on here, folks. And again, this is where it's at. The swing trades are flowing. I put out 2 new swing trades today alone. We took profits on another one. I put out an options alerts. If you like options, we have the options alerts. If you're a day trader, the intraday stock chat. The intraday stock chat is batting 90% for the year, folks. Again, on a basically $500,000 account, it's generated about 300 plus thousand this year alone. All right, and that's verified. And our members, some of our members, by the way, they're doing even better. You know, those that have studied with us the PBT methodology, they're just crushing it out of the park this year. Great trading year. Great trading. Nice after last year. Last year was a little slower. This is the year you want to be kind of more of a swing trader and day trader as the profits are exponentially higher. All right, on that note, folks, I'm going to bid you farewell. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial. This is where it's at, folks. You want live trades as I take them, as I take my swing trades. Join the Research Center. Take the 7-day free trial.